This is my test cell, HHO generator, 3-plate cell at 12 volts, pushing 5.88 amps. I'm running this on low voltage because I only have an 8 amp battery charger I'm using as a power supply right now. Shut this off and see if the water will clear up. The cell is constructed of the stainless steel wall plates, 3 of them from a hardware store. Everything inside the cell is stainless steel and bolted together. There is no wiring inside the cell or any loose connections or whatever. On a double bubble system right now. Coming out of the cell is half-inch inside diameter vinyl tubing, which I know a lot of you guys would be like, vinyl, no, but it's the only thing I could find. So it loops up and comes down into my bubbler that I had just made, which is pretty cool, I think. And I'm going to put a barbed fitting in the top there that's drilled out for a barbed fitting, but didn't have one right at the time. And it goes into fish tank air hose, and I found this cool little brass fitting that fit right inside the hose. So I fed the hose through a little hole I drilled in the neck of the bottle, put the brass fitting in the end of it, then pulled the hose back out and made a perfect seal. I got about 7 feet of fish hose wire on there right now, or airline. So I wrapped it around the bottle. Then it comes over here to my little bubbler, which is just a jar with water in it and a paper clip to hold the hose in place. Well, it looks like the cell cleared up a little bit. Here's part of my construction. Quite proud of that. I'm going to be adding 4 more plates to that. 2 on the negative side and 2 on the positive side. But 2 of those plates, 1 on each side, will be a neutral plate. The only problem I'm having is that I start running my cell. I can start it out at 1 amp, 2 amps, 3 amps, but the longer I run it, the more amps it draws. So I'm just wondering if it will like level out at a certain time, or will I just keep drawing more and more amperage and eventually overheating my cell, my water, and my wiring. I'm going to do a test run probably tomorrow out on the car battery. We'll get the truck started and hook it up to the battery, and we'll run it up to 10 amps because that's all higher I can go with my multimeter, or probably about 9.5 amps. And if it keeps climbing, then I'm going to have to figure something different. So, but that's my HHO generator, and I like it. Like I said, low voltage, nothing too spectacular. Until I get outside. Low amperage, we'll put it that way. But it works. Works damn good too.